Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabilo YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to turn off iCare Shop on your Skyworth TV. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, the first things you can do is first go to your setting button on your remote and go to settings or select settings. Here in settings, scroll down and go to system. Here in system, scroll down again and go to shop mode. Here in shop mode, okay, on the right side of this, the option. So the shop mode is set into shop. So to turn off the shop mode on your Skyworth TV, okay, you'll have to do is select the home to turn off the shop mode on your Skyworth TV. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned off the shop mode on your Skyworth TV. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.